didn't build this computer with silicon, they built it with human brain cells. And now, it's online. Not fiction, not theory. This is the start of biological computing, and it could change everything. Welcome to Techrupt, where the future doesn't knock, it just bypasses the lock. What we're talking about today is called organoid intelligence. Real, living neurons grown in a lab, connected to a computer interface, and trained to process information. It doesn't just simulate a brain, it is a brain, just smaller, and scientists have already taught it to think, adapt, and solve problems. Build. Here's how it works. Scientists start with human stem cells, the kind that can turn into any cell in the body. They guide them to grow into cerebral organoids, tiny clusters of brain cells about the size of a grain of rice. These organoids are then connected to electrodes and microchips, creating a direct interface between living neurons and digital systems. Electrical signals flow both ways. The organoid receives input, processes it, and sends a response, just like your brain does when you touch something hot or hear your name. What it can do. AI, as we know it, is basically an advanced pattern matching machine. It learns from data we feed it. But these brain cell computers are different. They learn faster because neurons can rewire themselves in real time, adapt without needing reprogramming, store memories in ways we don't fully understand yet, handle complex problem solving without massive power consumption. In early tests, these organoid systems were able to complete simple tasks and improve performance through trial and error, the same way a human learns to ride a bike. Why it matters. Current AI models require enormous amounts of data and power. Your phone might have billions of transistors. Your brain has about 86 billion neurons, each with thousands of connections. A brain cell computer could, in theory, do more with less, running faster, learning quicker, and using a fraction of the energy. This could lead to breakthroughs in medical diagnostics robotics, real-time decision-making systems, even merging biological and artificial intelligence into one network. The ethical questions. Here's where it gets uncomfortable. If it's made of human brain cells, is it alive? If it learns, remembers, and adapts, is it conscious? And if it is conscious, even in a primitive way, do we have a moral responsibility to it? Could we be creating something that can suffer? No one has real answers yet, and the tech is moving faster than the ethical discussions. The future, this points to. Today, these systems are small and limited. Tomorrow, they could be scaled up. One day, we might have biological supercomputers running global networks, controlling factories, managing cities, or even piloting spacecraft. And here's the twist. Unlike a machine, you can't just shut off a brain. You have to decide whether it's okay to kill it. We've officially entered the age of biological computing, and the scariest part? We might not be the smartest thing on Earth for much longer. This is Techrupt. Subscribe before the machines start thinking about you.